residents of the United States. At this time, multiple creatures were unleashed out onto the streets of the country. These creatures are highly sensitive to sound and can hear up to miles away. At this time, lock all doors, windows, entrances to the outside, etc. If you come into contact with an entity, only use firearms, flamethrowers, and explosives. At this time, there is no confirmation that more than 50% humanity will continue to live into next week. Everyone is dead. I repeat, everyone is dead. At this time, there are only 1.5 billion people left on Earth. There is nothing we can do to stop these entities. They can hear your heartbeat. There is no escape.